से भजन रहस्य षष्ठयाम साधन सायंकालीन भजन भाव यदि मानव श्रवण कर रहे थे। साधन नाम भजन करते करते इस प्रकार अनेकों प्रकार के भावों के उत्प्रेरक।
So we were hearing about the sixth yam, Swashtayam sadhan. So here we were hearing about that after performing bhajan and sadhan, how the bhavs manifest in the heart of sadhaks. Text number 16.
भागवतों की विलक्षण स्थिति हो जाती है। कभी कभी ये इस प्रकार
So how their condition has to be, sometimes they pray like that, we haven't got the Bhagwan yet, so where should I go, where to go, where to whom ask, so how can I get, who can give me the who can help me to attain him. Sometimes they cry and sometimes they hear the Gatha of Bhagwan, the Madhurya Katha of Bhagwan, and they get so much pleasure. Sometimes they will laugh. Sometimes they talk to Bhagwan, getting the Siddh-dev. Hey Prabhu, I have got you after so many days. So they glorify the qualities of Bhagwan and
पुरुष को प्राप्त कर परम शांति का अनुभव करते हैं और कभी चेत हो जाते हैं। इस प्रकार हम श्रवण करेंगे। जिस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु।
So we were hearing this Katha, just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We have heard about him. We have heard the three conditions: external condition, external stage, half external watch, half its external stage, and the third is internal stage. So we into the so we have heard about this yesterday. Then how sadhak he get the incredible vigraha of, he get the darshan of incredible vigraha of Bhagwan. Sadhak
उस पर सगन की आभा को पराभूत करने वाले पीताम्बर झिलमिला रहा है, मस्तक पर मयूर का पंख सुशोभित हो रहा है।
So we were hearing about the seeking Krishna, those eyes bhav, the gopis.
कर रखी है, नए कपड़ों के गुच्छ के अंगों पर धारण कर नवकिशोर नटवर जो धारण किया है। गले में पंचरंगी 5 प्रकार के रंगी पुष्पमालाओं के द्वारा गुथली मनोहर वरमाला धारण किए। एक हाथ अपने सखाओं को कंधे पर रखे हुए हैं तथा दूसरे हाथ से लीला कमल मचा रहे हैं। कान में कुंडल है, कपड़ों पर घुंघराले वाली पलकों के लहरा रही है तथा मुख कमल मंद मुस्कान से प्रफुल्लित हो रहा है। इस कथा को हम लोग काल श्रवण किया, जिस प्रकार
So we have heard this Katha that the Yagnik Pati, the Brahmani, the patnis of the Brahman, when they performing the yagna, so they were so much eager, and they went for the Krishna darshans. We have heard this katha yesterday, that how they took the darshan of Krishna, and at that time, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol, Jai Shri Gurudev.
ब्राह्मणियों के मुखारविंद
So at the time,
गोविंद के सुंदर
by the Mukharvind of the Brahmani,
श्यामं हिरण्यपरिधिं परमङ्गलवं धातु प्रबलो नटवीस अनुव्रतान्ते हस्तमितरेण धुनाभ्यं कर्णोत्पलालकपूलमुखाब्जहासं कर्णोत्पलालकं कपोलं मुखाब्जहासं। इस प्रकार
in this way,
कृष्ण के सुंदर रूप
so they have described the beautiful form of Krishna's.
फिर
Then
आगे जो है श्रीनाथ ठाकुर
further, Sri Bhaktivinoda Thakur
वर्णन कर रहे हैं
is describing
कि गोपियाँ
that how
इस
gopis,
प्रकार गोविंद दर्शन के लिए ललाई थी।
how gopis so much eager and excited for taking the darshan of Govind.
कृष्ण जब
When Krishna
प्रातः काल में
at the morning
गोचारण के लिए
was
सभाओं के साथ
going for the cow grazing with his friend,
उस समय
at that time
गोपियाँ
gopis,
कृष्ण विरह में
in the separation of Krishna, they so much feel separation,
क्योंकि गोविंद के साथ इसकी एक बार संबंध हो जाए
because somebody has developed the relationship with Govind once in the life, so it cannot be give up. He cannot leave Govind anyhow. So that's why in our Chaitanya Charitamrita it is said,
सिया खोले कांटा जन्म
Siya Koli Kata Janam.
सिया सुमन एक प्रकार के
Siyakul is just like
जंगल में
in the forest,
कांटे होते हैं।
there are so much thorns. So Siyakul means the thorns in the forest.
थोड़ा से बहुत सूक्ष्म
So
सूक्ष्म
it's very little, very very sharp.
है। सिया के पास।
अरे ठीक.
वो एक बार
So once
निकल खाएंगे।
when once it sue you, so it cannot be take out. It's so it feels so much pains when it see you in the bodies of somebody's. Very little, it is very sharp and little.
और दूसरी उदाहरण देते हैं
And the second example is
इस
giving
प्रकार
just like
आम है
mango.
आम की ग्लू निकालता है ग्लू
So there is a glue of mango.
शरीर में कहीं अंग पर पड़ जाए
So if it
तो
is
क्या कर देते हैं
if it is
घाव होना है।
a stick on somebody's body, so that there will be a wound in his in that body, in the part of that body.
उसके ठीक होने में बहुत समय
So it will take so much time
लगता है। करके
for recovering,
गर्मी के समय
especially in the summer.
है और आम की यदि ग्लू
If the glue of that mango
सफेद रंग के दूध के वहाँ पे आता है
put in somebody's bodies, so it will,
वो जैसे
it's
शरीर
so much
में
paining.
स्पर्श करने का लगने से
So whenever it puts somebody's body, so it gives so much pain, and that there will be a wound. In the same way,
गोविंद जी के साथ एक बार
somebody who has developed the relationship with Govind or love with Govind,
उसी प्रकार ही हो जाता है।
so he became like that. He cannot leave him.
गोपियाँ तो कभी-कभी विरह दशा में
Sometimes Gopi in the separation mode, she used to say, huh?
ऐसे इससे बचे।
How can we escape ourselves from Govind?
ये दुख के कारण क्या है?
What is the cause of sorrow?
ये गोविंद के साथ प्रेम करते
Because they love so much to Govind.
हैं। यदि
If
कृष्ण के साथ हमारे कोई संबंध नहीं
if
होते,
we doesn't have any relationship with
तो
Krishna,
हम लोग की
so we have not to suffer like this.
और ये
And
छल कपट कैसे अपने सुंदर मुखमंडल के दर्शन करा करके
so this cheater who gave the darshan of his beautiful face and attracted our hearts. Gopis are saying like this.
क्योंकि
Because the gopis, she has left the Balyavastha, the childhood, now they have entered into the Pogand. So after Pogand and Vayasiki, after that she will be Kishori. Because in the youthful stage there are three stages there. First one is first Yovan, first youthfulness, Vyakta Yovan, and the Purna Yovan, describing Pratham Yovan, first youthfulness, just first Yovan, Vyakta Yovan. The second is Vyakta Yovan. Little symptoms of the Yovan is manifested, just like some, the fickleness, the restlessness of the eyes is manifested when the lady goes into the Vyakta Yovan. When there is a little kids, so they have so much restlessness in their feet. When they start moving or walking, so they walk here and there so much. If they goes to 2-3 feet, they cannot stop. They stop and they walk. They stop, then they move. They stop, then they move. In this way, they cannot stop themselves. So it means they have the restlessness in their feet. When that girl become old, so their restlessness of the feet goes to the eyes. Girl.
और पैर के उसमें पैर क्या होती है? बहुत धीरे एक पैर उठा करके दूसरी पैर को
Kalayati Nayanam.
बलितं पंकजमिव मृदु मारुतचरितं.
So Rai Ramananda is describing it very beautifully, that Avisarika, Naika, Shrimati Radhika, in this way, with her Pran Priyatam Govind, meeting to him, she is going for meeting him. Kalyati Nayanam. The restlessness of the eyes it is like that she can see the full direction. So whenever she is going to meet her Priyatam, so she is hiding herself that nobody can see her. That's why it is saying Kalyati Nayanam Dishyati Valitam. It's looking like just like or the blossoms lotus
है कहाँ पर सरोवर में
in the pond.
सरोवर में व पोखर में जलाशय में प्रस्फुटित कमल
The blossoms lotus in the pond
हवा के द्वारा क्या होते हैं
by the air it will flow here and there, gradual, very very little here and there it flows.
इसमें कला की नैनम किसी बलितन अंक जो है वो मान से चलित है मार्गन हवा के द्वारा.
So mark means the air, just like the blossoms lotus at the pond gradually flows here and there by the motion of the air. So getting the flow of air, that kamal, that lotus is blossoms so much.
कुछ जो है नकल करके कोई एक को भी नहीं सुंदर लिखा.
So that's why a beautiful poet has written it. A poet has written it beautifully. There is a flowers like daffodils. What is Suraj? Huh? There is a flower in the pond. Little you have seen. It is just like a yellow color. Very very little, which is called the lily flower. So it flows in the air very gradually here and there. In this way, it is saying Kalyati Nainam Deshiri. When Radhaji goes to meet with her Pran Priyatam Govind, so at that time, so the restlessness of her feet of Radhaji, it goes to the eyes. She looks here and there. So Kavi Karnpur is described as very nice, is giving the comparison. In this way, very softly and gently, she is stepping her foot, very, 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 very slowly, very, very safely, not so fast, very slowly. She raising her feet, one feet, and then putting her second feet, very, very softly and gently. Why she has so much gentle and soft the speed of her feet? Because in the heart she has developed the love for Krishna so much. And which is called the transcendental calm. Divya, the transcendental calm. That's why it's so just things. It seems like her both feet cannot be raised. Stable. Their both feet are stable. It's not going to forward. She's stopped.
प्रेम को उद्रेक होने के नाते
So this kind of love when manifests in the heart.
मन है। इसलिए कहते हैं प्रतिपद सममित मनसी के बाद विनिधति मृदु मन करोपारम रचयति कुंजर ज्योति ओनु भाग। फिर धीरे-धीरे
Then gradually
रात की चल रही है।
she is moving or putting her feet very slowly, just like
हाथी
an elephant.
कुंजरों में हाथी जैसे धीर गति से चलते हैं।
An elephant is going or moving very slowly and gently. He is putting one feet and very softly is putting her second feet, because the elephant has a very something special in his trunk. He can smell everything.
ये कहीं यहाँ पर गड्ढा ना हो,
Maybe there is no potholes, so he has this kinds of assumptions like,
इसलिए अपने सुरों के द्वारा
so why his trunk
क्या कर देते हैं? सुन लो।
he can smell anything and judge like that there is no potholes,
इतने विशाल शरीर है,
because he has a huge body.
कितने सब वस्तु है, इसके लिए भगवान की कुदरती का है।
Bhagwan has given his so much incredible things, which is that's why Bhagwan is called Kudrati, the alokik, the incredible work of the creation of Bhagwan we cannot understand.
हाथी क्या करते हैं?
That's why that elephant, when he is walking or moving, you have seen maybe,
दोनों तरफ
so why his trunk he is making a way,
जिस प्रकार
just like
अंधा व्यक्ति
a blind man
जैसे हाथ में लाठी लेकर के और
having a stick he walks, just like a blind man he walks and with his sticks and understand that what is upwards, what is,
और कहाँ पर कुछ है।
he can understand these all things and he can know about the way. In this way here Rai Ramanand
तुलना दे रहे हैं
is comparing to the elephant.
हाथी के साथ।
He is comparing with the elephant, because just like Hathi, when he raised his first feet, so he put his second feet very very gently and softly and thinking about that what there may be no potholes. So in this way Radharani, she is so much
इसलिए प्रतिपद
she is so much careful.
विनिधति मेरु मंत्र पादम रचयति कुंजर ज्योति अनुभागम जनयति रुद्र गजाधिपम मुदितम रामानंदराय कोटि कवितम
Ramanand Rai
रामानंदराय
Ramanand,
महान कवि
he is a great poet,
अपराजित
who is transcendental poet.
ट्रांसलेटेड पोएट रामानंदराय इन्होंने क्या करे?
What he-
रचयति रुद्र
what he did?
गजाधिपम मुदितम
Rachariti Rudra.
ऊपर से लिखा है
Externally
राजा प्रताप रुद्र, ये रुद्र कैसे? राजा प्रताप रुद्र
here is mentioned the Raja Pratap Rudra.
गजपति प्रताप रुद्र के जो सभापति थे और उनकी ही
So Rai Ramanand was the Sabhapati of
प्रसन्नता के लिए
Pratap Rudra,
उन्होंने ये
and for his praising or for pleasing him,
सुंदर
he
कविता
wrote this beautiful he wrote this beautiful poem.
किंतु यहाँ पर
But here,
यदि गंभीर रूप में देखिए
if we think deeply,
तो क्या
so what?
रचयति रुद्र
Rachati
गजाधिपम मुदितम।
Rudra.
वास्तव इसके लिए
Actually,
इसके लिए कहा
to whom he is saying? For Radha
गजपति
Gajapati
कृष्ण
Krishna. Gajapati Krishna.
गजा अधिपति जिस प्रकार
Just like Krishna, when Krishna
जल विहार आदि करते
he was playing in the water with the gopis. At that time it is described just like
हस्ती हाथी
the elephant
अनेकों हथनियों के साथ
with so many she elephants playing in the water.
ठीक उसी
In
प्रकार
the same way, Krishna is playing in the water with so many gopis.
ब्रजारोहियों के साथ इस उसका विहार आदि करते हैं। श्रीमद् भागवत में
In the Shrimad Bhagavatam,
पढ़ना
it's described very nicely.
इसलिए करें मतलब
So it's saying,
ये स्तुति किसको हो रहा है?
so this Stuti is going to Radharani. It's describing for Radha Govinda.
क्योंकि अपराधी तो कोई
Because he is the transcendental poet,
राजा प्रताप रुद्र की आनंद देने के लिए तो बोला, किंतु वास्तव जो है
so the transcendental poet has said this word for pleasing that Raja Prataprudra, but actually is meant for Krishna, for Radha Govinda. So externally he said for Raja Prataprudra, but internally it was for Radha Govinda.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
अरे
आगे कथा में जो हम कुछ जा रहे हैं, ये कृष्ण जब सखाओं के साथ
when Krishna with the friend
उच्चारण किए जाते
going for the cow grazing,
उसमें कृष्ण की रूपांतर
at the time the beautiful form of Krishna is so beautiful, the form of Krishna is so beautiful that the gopiyas are taking darshan of their eyes.
गोपियों को जा नहीं पाई।
Gopiya cannot go.
तो मैंने कहा ये उनकी जो बयस संधि
So I told you about the Bayasandhi. She was a Bayasandhi. She has entered into the Kishore Avastha, the youthful form. So that's why their parents and the Gurujan were not allowing them to go there, because now you have become old. Now you are youth.
आज से
From today,
तुम लोग कृष्ण के साथ
you cannot go with Krishna.
हिलमिल करके चलते मत करो।
So you have become old now, and so please don't so much intimate with Krishna, because
इस जगत में जैसे लीला आदि होती रहती,
Because
ये
you-
कैसे कि काव्य आदि होती रहती।
in this world you have seen the work are going on. In the same way, Yogamaya arrange everything.
नित्य गुरु वृंदावन धाम में
In the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, there are no so much obstacles.
नित्य मिलन की विशेष एक वैशिष्ट्य वहाँ सब होगा।
So there is a speciality to meeting each other daily. But for tasting or relishing the love for each other, so sometimes Yogamaya arrange some obstacles for relishing that love, for increasing that love.
दोनों की मिलन की उत्कंठा भी करा
So they increases the eagerness for each other.
मिलन की उत्कंठा, क्योंकि बाधा नहीं हो,
Because if there is no obstacles,
उत्कंठा नहीं होगा,
so there is no eagerness to meet, and in that meeting there will be no madhurata will be established there. That's why Yogamaya,
एक ऐसे अपराध दिव्य
she
भाव की प्रकाश कर
she glorified or she established some kinds of feelings which is the transcendental feelings. In the transcendental Golok Vrindavan Dham, she arranged everything there in this way.
और प्रकट लीला में
And in the Prakat Leela, when Krishna
परिकरों के लेकर के
with their parikar and descend in this
धाम में
in the dham, avatar
यहाँ
लेते
पर
हैं.
जिस ब्रह्मांड में लीला होती
In any Brahman there are leelas is going on, that is called Bhauma Leela.
है, उसमें
In that
अनेक प्रकार की बाधा आदि के
there are
द्वारा
many kinds, so much obstacles are there.
अर्थात बाधा की सृष्टि कर उनकी उत्कंठ के और भी आगे कर।
So they increases the so much eagerness of the gopis. Even in the scriptures, the Jiva Goswami Pad is saying there is no too much difference between the Prakat and Aprakat Leela.
वही प्रकट अप्रकट वृंदावन में जो कुछ है
So whatever happening in the Aprakat Vrindavan,
वृंदावन की लीला
so
में
that is happening into the same way into the Prakat Vrindavan Leela.
केवल एकमात्र जो है
Just like-
कि दृश्य शक्ति के अनुसार
Just like the eyesight of the viewers,
विजन
angle to vision,
जिस शक्ति के अनुसार
just like the Jeev Shakti, so according to their feelings they are taking the darshan of that Leelas. But so Leela is same. That's why it is saying the Prakat and Aprakat. So there is no difference between Prakat and Aprakat Leela. But Krishna, but some Babaji Sampradaya peoples, they says a different katha. This says that there is a difference between Prakat and Aprakat Leela. But our Jeev Goswami Pad is saying no. The Leelas are going on in the Aprakat Dham, then same way the Leelas are going in the this Dham.
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम करी बरेगा सिखाई शरणागति भक्ति
Shri Krishna
चैतन्य
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
नित्य
every from the transcendental
अपने
world
परिवारों के साथ
with their parika,
प्रकट हुए।
he descend in this world,
भगवान
in this Bhoma Dham.
उसी प्रकार कृष्ण भी
In the same way,
नित्य
Krishna,
अपने परिवारों
with
के
their
साथ
nitya, with their eternal associates, descends and in this world and perform the same leelas.
मानव से देवमान से तब
Anugraham Bhaktanam Manusham Deham.
भगवान उसी अपराधिक गुरु वृंदावन की लीलाओं के लिए
So the same transcendental Aprakata Golokvanda leelas by the Yogmaya, so he manifested all the leelas in this dham. So if somebody does take the darshan or of hearing or listening that leelas, so he will be observed in that.
वो कथा भी श्रवण आदि के
These,
द्वारा
so hearing that kathas,
तल्लीन हो जाता है
he will be
जो
he will be so much absorbed in that leelas, in that kathas.
अविष्ट हो जाओगे
And when you will be observed in that katha, so you will get that thing. At the time of that the thing will come to us, which we remind every year, whole time, every time. Whole life, whatever I have reminded and I was observed my mind in that things, so at the time of that I will get the same. Yam yam vapis varami tejjante kalevram. It is Gita, Bhagavan is saying that said with what kind of feelings the man observed his mind, at the time of that he get the same thing. Because if your mind is observed in something, so you will get that. So after that, so you will get the same body according to the desire. So the way we are hearing that in the transcendental Golok Vrindavan, in the Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, so Bhagavan descend in this world with all their associates. So he shows everything here which is going on in the Aprakat Leela. In this Prakat Leela, so there is so that when he descend in this world, so that world, the transcendental world, is not empty. The Leelas are going on there still. So in this way, the two Leelas are going on. In the Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, Leelas are going on, and the same Leela is going on in this Bhoma Dham, Prakat Leela. So here what we are saying, that when that Gopi asked for Krishna's darshan, she was so much greedy. As I told you, that Gopi has become old now, That's what they are, the family members, and all the Gurujans told them, from today onwards, you cannot. So please do not intimate with Krishna, because you have become old now. The girls can play to the girls, and the boy can play to the boys. When this restrictions was uh, implemented, so in the heart of gopis there was so much pain. So it was seems like there is a big huge mountain has broken on their heart, because the gopis has so much deep affection towards Krishna, because today, because they cannot meet with Govind from today, because they doesn't have any kinds of prakritik kamna, the prakritik, this material desired. So all whatever they have in their heart, it is all for Krishna's pleasure, which is called the transcendental calm. Whatever the gopi is doing, their behavior or treating with Krishna, so this is transcendental and for pleasure for Krishna only. They don't have in their heart any kinds of selfishness. They don't have any kinds of selfishness in their heart. Whatever they are doing, it's for all for Krishna's pleasure. They don't have the bodily consciousness that I am the lady, I am the gents. They doesn't think about that. I am married or unmarried. So they are not conscious about that, who they are actually, because they don't have so much time for reminding all these things. They have just one thing in their mind: how we can please to Krishna. So that is why Krishna Sukh Hetu Sab Kare Vyavhar. Whatever the activities they are doing, it is just for Krishna's pleasure, nothing else. But for performing the Leela, Yog Maya sometimes makes some obstacles there, creates some obstacle in the path of love. So she creates some things with playing with the. They were playing with the Krishnas very nicely every day, but now today onwards there is a restrictions. So that's why there is a milestone. There was a mountains has broken on their heart. Still for this common Leela, so everybody has to follow the instruction of their parents and the Gurujan. Whatever the Guru has told, so they have to follow that. At that time gopis adhir, so they are so much restless, like what to do. They have lost their patience. They have almost lose their patience. That what to do now? How can we meet? Because the essence of the love is what is that? That is Govinda. There doesn't no other purpose. They have focused their mind not anywhere else, just in the feet of Govind. So that's why gopis are. What are they doing? So in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Pad is saying, all the gopis with their sakhis, with their sajatis, with their group sakhis,
कृष्ण की कथा वर्णन करते
So they describe the Krishna Katha.
हैं। कृष्ण की कथा ही वर्णन करते हैं।
They
और कुछ
describe the
कथा
Krishna Katha, nothing else.
नहीं। विषय कथा ही तो है।
They don't talk about the Vishay Katha. Whatever they have to talk, they have to say about only for Govinda.
इसलिए सुखदेव गोस्वामी
So that's why Sukadeva Goswami Pad is describing in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Gopis,
अपने घर में तो है
the Gopiyas are at their home, but
और जहाँ जहाँ पर समय होती है
so whenever they get the time with their sakhis, the groups sakhis, with the like-minded sakhis, they assemble with them and they describe the Rupa Madhurya of Govinda, of Krishna.
इसी के कहा जाता है
This is called
वेणुगीत।
Venugit.
वो वर्णन कौन कर रहे हैं?
Who is describing that?
गोपियाँ कर रही हैं।
So the Gopiyas are describing the same these things too.
चतुष्टय जो माधुर्य है,
There are Chatushta, 6 Madhurya of Govinda: Rupa Madhurya, Leela Madhurya, Vedu Prema Madhurya, Venu Madhurya, Prema Madhurya, Prema Madhurya.
क्योंकि विशेष करके
But especially
ये दो माधुर्य की
the
जो वैशिष्टता
2 Madhuryas is so much special. Speciality is here. Rupa Madhurya, Venu Madhurya. Rupa Madhurya and Venu Madhurya is describing here very nicely, and especially that Krishna,
वेणुध्वनि के द्वारा
by the playing flute, by the sound of flute,
साधन साधन गोविंद वेणुध्वनि के द्वारा कृष्ण सदियों के कैसे
So, how Govind, by the sound of the flute, how they can attract everybody.
वर्णन्ति परस्परम
Vadanti Parasparam.
एक गोपी दूसरे गोपियों के साथ
One gopi is saying to another gopi, describing the same thing.
गोपियां घर से निकली नहीं
Gopiyas does not came out from the home. They are at the courtyard. They are at the home, at their home. I told you,
उनकी गुरुजनों ने क्या
because
कहा?
their Guruji and the family members has restricted that you shouldn't go out
ठीक है
in this. So
वो लोग क्या करने लगे
what are they doing now?
अपने अपने गृह में
At their home, staying at their home,
गोविंद की
and they are describing the Rupa Madhurya, Venu Madhurya of Govinda, describing there with all each other.
कभी
Sometimes
दशा में
in the separation mode,
उत्कंठित होगा
so much eager, they are so much eager.
इसीलिए कहा जाता है
Actually, this is called the Purva Rag.
विरह जो तीन प्रकार
There are 4 kinds of Purva Rag, 4 kinds of Purva Rag, Man, Pravas, Prema, Vachitra. Purva Rag, Man, Pravas और Prema, Vachitra, Pravas.
प्रबल उत्कंठा जिसमें
So there are so much higher eagerness. That's why here it is saying.
पूर्व रागवती गोपियां अपने आप नेत्र से कृष्ण के सुंदर
So,
वर्णन
seeing Krishna through the eyes of Bhav, the gopis is Purvarag described his beauty. Gopis was not able to came out from the house when Krishna was going for the cow grazing.
प्रचारण करने के लिए जा रहे हैं वो तो जानता है इसलिए अपने अपने गृह में रह
So, at staying at their home, because they were not able to go out, so that's why
दर्शन करके
why their Bhava Netra, that
वर्णन कर
so they are describing that Krishna's glories, which each other, how they are describing.
नारण्यं सपदरमणं प्राविशदकीर्तिकीर्ति।
Very beautiful shlok is this.
एक ब्रह्मस्तुति होती जा रही है।
First is Brahma Stuti.
दूसरी
Second is
सायमन हिरण्यपदी
Brahmani Stuti.
ये ब्राह्मणी की स्तुति है।
who the wife of Brahman was doing Gopis Stuti.
ये गोपियां अपने पहाड़
Third is the Gopis Stuti. By their mukha, the lotus mouth, they are describing or the Rupa Madhurya of Govinda.
मेरे महाराज जी की
How they are describing the Rupa Madhurya, Venu Madhurya of Govinda.
देखो
Look,
जिसके जो भाव होता है
who have the feelings.
उस भावों के
So according to their bhavs,
वो गोविंद के दर्शन करते
they take the darshan of
हैं और
Govind
अपने भाव को व्यक्त करते हैं।
and they express their feelings in this way.
भगवान तो एक ही है,
Bhagwan is one,
अद्वैत ज्ञान पर
who is called Advait Gyan Partat. Advait Gyan.
अद्वैत ज्ञान पर
Advait Gyan Partatra.
अद्वैत ज्ञान तत्व ब्रजेंद्र
Brajendra Nandan.
महाप्रभु कहने लगे
Mahaprabhu is saying, Hey Sanatan,
कृष्ण तत्व के बारे में सुनो
listen about the Krishna Tattva. He is Advait Jnana Partat. He is not two, he is one, but he is Advait. He is not two, he is not dual, he is one, but Advait. This is Advait.
जैसे जैसे
Just like,
भक्त होते हैं
according to the bhav of the bhakt,
वह स्वरूप में उनको
they manifested their own that form before the devotees.
वैदुर्य मणि क्या है?
What is Vaidurja Mani?
एक प्रकार ऐसे सुंदर
Just like a beautiful, shining money, which is called Vaidurja Mani,
जिसमें एक ही साथ
where one.
प्रकार के जो है रंग
So at the one time there are the shining 7 colors in that money.
एक ही साथ
At the same
दिशा से
seven colors. That money.
वही रंग दिखाई पड़ता
Money.
है लाल नीली आप थोड़ा ऐसे घूम करके देखो
So when you
लाल दिखाई
so when you see from one side, you will see all the things is red. When you see another side, everything is yellow. So it shows you different colors. That is called
वैदुर्य मणि का
the Vaidurja Mani.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
What is the meaning?
जिस रस के साधक जैसे
So according to the rasis of the sadhak, Bhagwan manifested his swarupa, Madhurya, presented according to their bhava of the devotees.
ब्रह्मा जी के हृदय में
In the Brahma's Hriday, he has what kind of swarup has manifested?
ब्रह्मा जी
Brahma ji
कहा जाता है
is called
आधिकारिक दासता
Brahma is called Adhikarik Dasya.
आधिकारिक दासता
According to the Ras Vichar, he is Adhikarik Dasya.
गोपी सिंगार रस्तु
And the Gopiya is Shringaras Tulya.
गोपी के हृदय में
That's why in the heart of Gopi is Krishna.
बस
Always, he is always Navakishore Natapar. That's why it is saying. Krishna. So the same Advaigyan Partatva Prajendanandan Shyam Sundar Dvibhuj Murlidhara, who has Dvibhuj Murlidhara, his effulgence, and that in this effulgence he has two Dvibhuj Rupa Tribhanga Lalitam, and playing the flute. He is expressing this form too before the gopis. Dvibhuj Murlidhara Shyam Sundar. How beautiful form is that? Gopis. Who can take their darshan? Only one and only gopis. Brahma and other devtas cannot take that darshan. It is very rare. It is not just rare, it is the rarest, Sudurlabh. Because they are getting darshan by the Bhav Netra. Jasya Jasi Bhavana. So devotees are taking darshan according to their bhav. So what kind of bhav you have, Bhagwan will manifest it himself according the same way, according to you, before you, in the same way. काम का बसंती कामनीमय जगत, काम का बसंती कामनीमय जगत. So the beautiful bhav of the gopis are expressing here.
विवृतवासकं कपिसंवयञ्चमालं कन्नामीनो रवसुधया पुरैनगोपवृन्दै निन्नारं सपदरमणं प्राविशतगिरिकीर्ति।
Actually, who is expressing this form? Gopiyas is expressing this form before Radhaji. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, there is no name mentioned Radha and other gopis. Because the Tikakar, the writer, it showed that which shlok is expressing on which gopis. In the Srimad Bhagavatam is called the Parokshabad. Parokshabad.
जैसे आपके नाम नहीं लेकर के आपके ऊपर की वर्णन मैं करूं.
Okay, if I am not taking your name and I am describing about that he is putting on the red cloth, he is putting on this kinds of clothes. So in this way, I am not directly telling to him, but indirectly I am describing that person. So all the peoples will look to whom, and if we tell the name of that person, so people will not take the darshan of that. But indirect way, if I describe the qualities of the person and without taking their name, and if I describe the external beauty of them, so this is a different, this is a special thing, because in the Srimad Bhagavatam it is called the indirect grantha. Indirect. The Srila Gurudev is used to say, what is the actual subject of the Srimad Bhagavatam? So the gopis parika bhav. So glorifying the parikya bhav of the gopis, it is the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam, nothing else. Even it is said, Eta Chakla Krishna Bhagavan Swayam. But this is for the attracting to the intelligent people or the Vidwan, because everybody said, all the Sampradaya says, so our Ishwar is Shreshta, is topmost. So the person who is worshipping Vishnu, they say that Vishnu is topmost, and the people who are worshipping Lakshmi Narayan, they say, oh, Lakshmi Narayan is topmost. It happens. Bhagwan is one, but still, but everybody glorify his Ishtadev glorification. But when we be a neutral and express and tell about that what is actually truth, so who is actually Bhagwan, and who is the essence of all the Bhagwan? Bhagwan is one. Karaya Parad. Ishware Bhed Malin Karya Parad. Ramchandra is a separate Bhagwan, Krishna is a separate Bhagwan, Narsingh is a separate Bhagwan. So in this way, if we say it is offense, the same Keshav himself manifested in the for the same Keshav for giving the pleasure to their devotees, got manifested so many forms. That's why Jayadev Goswami Pad, Geet Govind, so he has described all the incarnation of Bhagwan. And what he is writing there, Kraishavadhrita Meena Sharira Jai Jagadish Hare. The same Keshav, Krishna, who Krishna, the Brajendana Keshav, who has killed the Kesha, Daitya,
धीर
the
ललित नायक
who the Dhir Lalit Nayak, Krishna,
है, और स्वाधीन भक्ति का नायिका की केस को जो है क्या बोलते हैं, संभाल
who was combing the hair of the Naika, topmost heroine,
जिसको
combing,
कमी जिसे हम कहते हैं
just like we used to go
यहाँ पर
beauty parlor
श्रृंगार बन
in the
श्रृंगार
Shringar.
बन के चित्र देखा,
So you have seen,
श्रृंगार के चित्र क्या
you have seen the.
है, कृष्ण राधा जी के केस को क्या करे,
So we have seen the picture of Krishna is combing the hair of Radha ji.
अथवा ब्रह्मा अथवा शिव के भी नियंत्रण करने का,
So who is controlling Brahma and Shiv?
आरोही के सब क्या
And the
करें?
same Keshav
राधा जी की
is
चरण में पकड़ करके
so
चरण
he
में,
is
नतमस्तक होकर
he is holding the feet of Radha ji and asking the love, asking the begging for love. He is begging for love in the feet of Radha ji.
तो इससे गोपियां गर्व अनुभव करती हैं
So the Gopi feels proud
कि हमारे प्राण प्रियतम
that our Pran Priyatam Krishna, how madhur, how sweet is he.
आरोही के सब क्या
And the
बने?
same Keshav became Meena Sharira. He became mean. He got the fish form.
महाप्रलय के समय
At the time of Mahapralaya,
सब कुछ जब ध्वंस हो गया
when everything was destroyed,
है, सभी को बीजों की जो है नाव में लेकर के रख करके है,
Yes. uh,
और देखो तो सब प्रलय का आपने समझ
at the time of Pralaya,
को कैसे है,
he has took the beach.
नाव के अपने मस्त पर बांध के नाव के रस्सी को अपने मस्त पर बांध के
He tied the boat into their forehead. It is described there. That's why it is Keshavadhrita Meena Sharira.
ऐसे सूर्य बीज ऐश्वर्यवान कृष्ण की साधारण नहीं
So Krishna is not ordinary. He is full of Aishwarya, who is full of Shaurya, who is full of bravery. How he is asking for the arm of love, how he is begging for love. If there is no Aishwarya or just like a Madhurya, so he will be like a Kami Purush in this material world. But he has both. That's why our Baldev Vidyabhushan Prabhu is described very nicely. Aishwarya and Madhurya. Aishwarya and Madhurya Granthi, he showed there everything. The all powerful Bhagwan, who is Sarveshwara. He is not an ordinary. He is Sarveshwar. The topmost powerful Sarva Shaktiman, all powerful Bhagwan Krishna himself, as well as before the gopis, he is begging for love. He is behaving like a lusty person who has all kind of opulence, but is still what he is describing is Madhurya before the gopis. He is not. It is not like he doesn't have the opulence, all the opulence, but all that opulence which is covered by the Madhurya. If there is no Aishwarya, it's not possible. All Madhurya, no, it's not possible. But Madhurya, all Aishwarya is opulence is covered by the Madhurya. Just like a kid, if you give to the medicine to the child, so there is a very bitter capsule, bittering. So there is outside externally there is a cover cover little bit sweet. So if you take out that cover, so it is so bitter. Powder. So the capsule is made, so inside there is a very bitter powder is there. So you cannot take that powder, that's why there is a cover in externally. So in the same way, madhurya, aishwarya, opulence is walk together. So Krishna has this both things at the same time, but before the gopis, that opulence is covered by the madhurya. So it is represented there in the form of madhurya. So that's why it is saying the Keshava Dita Meenasharira Jai Jagadish Hare. Keshava Dita Kurma Sharira Jai Jagadish Hare. Keshava Dita Shukar Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare. Keshava Nar Hari Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare. Jai Nar. So the same Jagadishwar Krishna, the same Keshav, before the Premi Bhakt, he is begging for love, and for the rascal peoples he presented himself as a cow, as a death form, just like Narsinga, he presented himself before the Hiranyakashipu, very roary, very angry form. Ugraviram Mahavishnu Jwalantam Sarvatam Nrsingham Bhishram. He was so much angry form there. All the directions are destroying, firing. He got the huge form, very, very huge form. That's why it is called, before the non-devotee, he got the form of very angry form, and before the bhakta, he got very lovable form, prema swarupa. So this is my mean to say. So this same gatha, our Baldev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, Geet Govind, no, Baldev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, where Aishwarya and Madhurya, opulence and the Madhurya is described same time. Which grantha? Google. He had described very nicely there. कोई है ही नहीं, व्यूवर्स ही नहीं सबसे, इनसे पूछो. चलो भैया आरती व्यवस्था करो. ओ भैया आरती व्यवस्था करो. So that's why gopis are saying they are staying at their home, and by the Bhav Netra they are by the Bhav Netra they are taking the darshan of Krishna. Barha Piram Naparvapu Karo Karvikaram Pradvasa Karvanakam Chamadam Randaram Vinaradaram सब लगा के सो जाते हैं. So Shyam Sundar is entering to the forest by their cowherd friends, cowherd boyfriends. He is entering into the forest for cow grazing. When Krishna was going for the cow grazing with his cowherd friends, how is holding the shoulder, and he is putting his hand to the shoulders of their friend. So this kinds of form is expressing why the gopis at their home by the Bhavanitra. He has a peacock feather on his forehead. He has a kaner flower in their ear. He has a yellow pitambar, and in the neck he has 5 kind colors flowers garland, which is very long.
रंगमंच पर सुंदर
In the
अभिनय,
Rangmancha, he is performing a very beautiful play. He is just like looking a ordinary person who is performing as the stage.
जब कोई नाटक अभिनय करते हैं
When somebody does the performance or any play,
और वो
any kind of
रंगमंच
drama,
में जब
so at that stage when he came,
इतना सुंदर उसकी रूप धारण किया,
how he got the beautiful form at that time.
ना कि यही वैशिष्ट
So this is the speciality of that play.
रुद्र रूप हो,
Wherever he is angry person or Madhurya Roop.
है? चलो आपको राम के रूप क्या, रावण के जो रावण बना ना,
Who what is the form of Ravan? नहीं
रावण में
Ramayana में the people who played the character of Ravan
अभिनय जो
in the Ramayana, the person who is अरे राम का अभिनय Arun Govil राम का दे
राम तो
अरुण
अरुण गोविंद का
हाँ।
अभिनय, रावण कैसे,
रावण था कोई गिरी था करके अरविंद त्रिवेदी राइट यस वेरी नाइट तालियां हरी बोल
अच्छा देखो
अरविंद त्रिवेदी फ्रॉम जयपुर ना
वो
नहीं राजस्थान
रावण की पार्ट जो समाप्त हो गया,
So when the Ravan part, when the Ravan role was over, so he was thinking that how I behave like this. His the feelings, his in generally in the general form he is very different, but when he played the character of Ravan, his form was different.
रावण को देखा ही नहीं,
We haven't seen the Ravan actually
ये तो जो देख रहे हैं,
when we are seeing nowadays now. So how he has so big eyes.
वो स्वयं देख कर जो आश्चर्य हो गए,
So he was so much astonished that I performed the role in like this. I had this form.
ये कुछ में दिखा रहे हैं, आज नहीं। जो अभिनय करने वाले जो
So
होते हैं, ऐसे
the player who is playing the
सच जो होता
character
है, उनके कैसे होता है,
on
आप
the
क्या
stage and in the general life they are different. So that's why some people are saying Arvind Trivedi. Arvind Trivedi.
उनके वो हनुमान गद्दी में उसको गई उसको प्रवेश करने के लिए, हमारे हनुमान जी के पूरे मरकट का करके ऐसे
Actually in the Ayodhya when he was going for taking the darshan of Ramji in Ayodhya, so the people who were staying there at the temple, he stopped Arvind Trivedi because you have tell our Hanuman Banar Markat, so that's why so they were saying like this.
हनुमान के साथ जो वार्तालाप हुई,
So actually
हम तो इसी के प्यारे हैं।
so actually the conversation between Ravan and Hanuman
किंतु जो विरोधी जो है,
who are the against anti of Ravan.
रावण के साथ हनुमान की जो वार्तालाप,
So whatever the conversation had between the Ravan and Hanuman, and who were playing the role, Dara Singh, Arvind Trivedi.
ये तो सचमुच रावण,
So he was looking actual Ravan. He was looking actually Ravan that time. And when he was seeing that telecast himself, he was astonished. He was thinking, oh, I am the same Ravan. I am not this Ravan.
वो विचार करने लगा,
He was thinking, Aditya, why on me? Why did I this performance? Why did I play this role?
जननी सीता देवी
Where the Jagajanni Sita ji, how I kidnapped her?
किडनैप किया, हरण किया, वो स्वयं देख रहे,
She's seeing all the character himself and on the television, and he was crying that time that why I performed this role. Fie on me. Have you seen the Ramayana? This is incredible.
वास्तविक
Actually, this is the truth.
जो अच्छा जो एक्टर होता
Who
है,
is the nice actor?
अपनी साइलेंस में
So he doesn't perform. He doesn't present his general form. When he observed in that role, how beautiful it looks like.
देखा, कितना सुंदर,
How beautiful.
वास्तव रूप में जो है,
And in fact,
लोग आप देख करके ऐसे लगेगा,
and in the general way, in a truth life, in a real life, he is different. In a real life, it is different. अरे
और राम को जो अभिनय कर रहे हैं,
when who is the performing of the role of Ram,
सीता का जो अभिनय किया,
who is performing the role of Sita, she is different. She is not ordinary.
देखो रामायण प्रसारित होने के
So when the Ramayana was telecasted,
घर में नहीं है जो राम सीता की
there
बात
is
नहीं करता।
there is no one place where at home Arun Govil
गोविंद गोविंद
or Deepika.
सब उनके पढ़ो,
So everybody has taken his photo at their home because they are thinking they are actually Ram and Sita.
मेरे कहने की
So what's my mean to say?
अभिनय करता जो
So the actor who was playing the role,
कैसे भावों की
how they express their feelings on the stage, on the character. They observe themselves totally into the character.
शास्त्र में
In the Natya Shastra, it's all described.
जो लोग
The people
नाट्य शास्त्र आदि आलोचना करते
who describe the Natya Shastra,
हैं, ये लोग अनुभव करते हैं, ये लोग
they realize that how
डायरेक्ट सब कुछ निर्भर करता है किसके ऊपर, डायरेक्टर।
everything is totally up to the director.
हम एक बार गए थे
Once we went to see the Ram Leela in the Ram Maidan. So at that time, so the director was giving the direction to all the actors. He was abusing so much that time. Sometimes there is a little fault. He was abusing them again and again. He was so much expressing their anger. One thing he has repeated again and again. I have seen myself. We went one time that how so the director who always give the directions, everything is totally up to him. And until he is not satisfied, till then he will play the same character, same role again and again, same scene again and again. So what's I mean to say? Here, what we have heard, they are describing about the Krishna. That Krishna, he has taken the beautiful form. He has 5 kinds of garlands, 5 kinds colors garland in their neck. He has yellow pitambar. So his beautiful press like that of one expert dancer on a stage, and the nectar of his lips flows through the notes of his flute. Rangamanch at the stage, the performer who is playing the character on the stage. So it's look like in the same way Krishna's beautiful form is described there. In this world, everything is depend on director, Yogamaya. Everything is depend on Yogamaya. And everything is depend on the Yogamaya in that transcendental world. And who's that Yogamaya is? The Radhika Rani herself is that Yogamaya. The original Yogamaya is Aladni Shakti Srimati Radhika she is the Yogamaya. Huh? She is doing everything. Krishna's Aladni Shakti. She shows no, it's not. Yeah, just like Gurudev said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, where is state? He Gambhir and Gadadhar is Gopinath, Tota Gopinath. Who is playing the role? Mahaprabhu. He is expressing the bhav. He has taken the bhav of bhav and complexion of Radharani. So Shri Gurudev used to say. So. Krishna used taken our bhav and the separation words. So Gadadhar instruction there. Gadadhar. The Gadadhar was directing and giving the instruction to Mahaprabhu. No, you are not doing good, or you are not doing this type. So you should do. So who is the actually director? The Yogamaya. Original Yogamaya is Radhaji herself. Aladni Shakti Swarupani. Nityanand Prabhu. Sarup Damodar Vishakha. Rai Ramananda Sarup Damodar. So who was near to him? Ryan Ahmed and Suraj Damodar, Lalita Vishaka. So why I was comparing this all things?
रात में नाटक को ड्रामा होने वाला है और दिन में वो देखा हम लोग हमारे भक्तों
So we have seen all these things at the daytime, because at the night there was a drama was going to perform. So at the daytime we were going, so they all were practicing there. So director was giving the instruction to all of them, and one scene is repeating again and again until it is got the director was not satisfied, and the director was saying, oh, your hand will be like raised up like this, you have to raise up down like this, and and if they were not doing the properly, the director was so much abusing there so much. If you go there, you can come out and give up that drama within 2 days, because he was so much abusing. Somebody who can tolerate can take a part in that. So that's why who is the mool director, the original director is Srimati Radhika, who we call Yogmaya. Mool Yogmaya Srimati Radhika, Aladna Shakti of Krishna. Until she is not saying, oh, it's not going well, it's not performing, you are not performing well, so Krishna is doing that role again and again. That's why so Krishna is performing like a stage performer there, and he is flowing his, and all the Gwalwa, the cowherd boys, is singing his glories. Our Sanatan Goswami Pad, that time is over. So our Sanatan Goswami Pad, what Kirtan they do? There is a shlok is there, Rasayan chapter. In the Brihad Bhagavatamritam, Rasayan chapter, there is a shlok is there, which is a light, which is a last chapter. Huh? When the cow was taking the shelter under the tree, on the shadows of the tree, so some cowherd boys, they have taken place and resting there, and Krishna himself with the Priya Narmasaka, he is taking rest there. after lunch prasad, huh? So it is written there, Krishna was not mentioned there. Mahan means they are saying indirectly there for Krishna, but Krishna was taking rest, and the Baldev Prabhu, he took his head in the lap of Baldev. So that's why you should say, Baldev, please say my Krishna anyhow, anywhere, because his name is Baldev. Baldev, he is a source of power. He is the Adhishtati Devta of Bal. And who is staying with him? Priya Narmasaka, Sobal Saka Shridham. So at that time, Sobal Shridham and Baldev Prabhu. So on the lap of Baldev Prabhu, Krishna has put his head, and Baldev Prabhu gradually he is massaging the forehead of Krishna there. Aha. And some friends are massaging his other body parts. So some friends are fanning with the trees or leaves, and some friends some friends are singing very in a low tune, just like when a child is not sleeping, and in the same way that mother is singing a lori, you know. So there is nothing there, but still they are presenting in this way that the child can sleep, which is called the lori. Yes. So in the Bengali it is that चंदा मामा दूर के हुए पठाए in the Magali there is no meaning, but still they are saying like the lori in a poem tone. So the tone must be beautiful there. It's a very low tune. There is no Tattva Siddhant, nothing else there. Just the tune and the sur will be perfect in a very low tune, just like. So there is a East Bengal katha, very nice katha. Should I tell you or not?
জামাই ঠাকুর এলো বাড়িতে বললো নদী আর দু মুঠো চাল ফেলেছে হাঁড়িতে জামাই ঠাকুর এলো বাড়িতে বললো নদী আর দু মুঠো চাল ফেলেছে হাঁড়িতে इसको लड़ी सुंदर लगता है किंतु उसमें तत्व विचार आदि कुछ अपने नहीं मिलेगा.
So there is no tattva vichar.
सुनने में आनंद होगा.
So they will feel so much pleasure in listening. Yeah, in the ear there is so much pleasure, but there is no tattva sound. This is called the lori. Lori, lori, lori. I saw when you hear that, you will be the people who is going to Bengal, they can know. Have you seen that? What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning? He's saying, Arey Baba, you can dance, you can understand, even you can understand or not, but you will dance, your heart will be gadgad, very pleasant. अरे चचा आगे कर दो. So what's my mean to say here? We used to say the lori to the child, just like Ma Yashoda. So in this way, our transcendental poet Rupa Goswami Pad, he is written in the Padavali Granth, he is described very nicely there. Padavali. When Krishna said, Maya, I am not able to sleep. So Ma Yashoda, she used to play and say the lori to Govinda. In the Purkal, at the Ayodhya, at Dasharatha Nada, there was a king whose son name was Krishna was saying So he has three queens, Kaushalya, Kaikeyi, Sumitra. So Krishna was behaving like that. He doesn't know anything. He is very simple, innocent child. He was pretending like this. He had 4 sons from the Kaushalya's Ram, from the Kaikeyi Bharat and Shatrugna, and from the Sumitra 2 putra, Lakshmana and Shatrugna. So it's very nice. Like what happened further? That 4 sons grew up together, and then so Ma Yashoda see that Krishna's eyes little bit closing. So he's saying, Dekho beta, look. After that, what happened? The Mithila's Naresh, Mithila's king, Janak, Maharaj Janak's daughter Sita Devi, he got married with Ramchandra. So hearing this katha, Krishna was opened his eyes and said, oh, when I will got married, Maya, when I will got married. Oh, when I will got married in this way. Oh, you will get married, don't worry, sit there. No, Ma, I would like to get married now. And after that, Mother Yashoda said, when Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan, four brothers, they got married. At the time of marriage, they he went to Ayodhya. After some time, he has to. Krishna was listening in this way. He was saying, He went to Ayodhya, and everything was described there. And after some time, the Dusht Raksha Rascal Ravan has kidnapped Sita ji. Kidnapped her. So Krishna was that time. Krishna, why he stand up from the lap of my Yashoda? He was saying, "Hey, Lakshman, please bring my arrow and bow. Today and just now I will kill Ravan." My Yashoda said, "Oh, what happened to him? Oh, what happened to him? He's got mad." He was so much of that in that form. So Rup Goswami in the Padavali, he is describing these things. The Maishwada was telling to Lori, to Krishna. At the time of cow grazing, at the time of noon, there was so much dark sunshine there. At that time, Krishna was taking rest after taking lunch prasadam. So at that time, some friends, Priya Narnusakha, they are fanning to Krishna by that leaves of tree. So they glorify the Krishna's Leela. And which Leela? That how Krishna with the gopis doing the love and affairs, how has stealing the cross of the gopis. So these all kathas, all pastime, all the sakhas are described very nicely. And Krishna is closing his eyes when he was. So when these friend was describing the gopis katha, so Krishna was a little bit smiling that time. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. चलो भैया, कृष्णा आते लाल की जय. कृष्णा हईते चतुर्मुख, हैया कृष्ण सेवन